BioWash, 10 years of proven results. Exceeds EPA standards for readily biodegradable. Increase crop yields. Decrease fertilizer and pesticide use. Increases bricks. More money for your crop. Extend your growing season. Get to market first. Lowers overall cost of farming. Growing green is now more affordable. Good for your bottom line. Good for consumers. And it's 100% carcinogen-free. The science behind BioWash is cation exchange. It begins with electromagnetic action in the roots. When a seed germinates, it produces an embryonic root that grows into the soil. As the root grows, it produces hair and lateral roots. Within the root, the inner cells absorb water and nutrients from the root to the shoot, and from the shoot to the root. The University of Miami measured the particles in BioWash. They are the size of 8 angstroms. Quantum mechanics reveals that angstroms are the smallest particles of matter known to science. Billions of angstroms can fit on a needle point. Because of their extremely tiny size, these particles can easily penetrate plant tissues, carrying nutrients and other liquid particles with them. This increases the effectiveness of the added cation exchange excitement, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants utilize sunlight to produce sugar. Sugar forms the basis for starches, cellulose, waxes, carbohydrates, oils, and protein that are the building blocks for plant growth. During photosynthesis, plant leaves absorb water and release oxygen. Plants and trees, after being drenched with BioWash, experience an accelerated level of photosynthesis. As a benefit, the plants are healthier, stronger, grow faster, enjoy increased ability to resist disease, plus greater yields.
There were 3 crops that I experimented with this past year: alfalfa, corn for grain, and cucumbers. There was a 20% improvement in yield on the BioWash treated alfalfa. The total yield for the season was 6.5 acres per ton versus 4.5 ton expected for this particular soil type. The BioWash treated corn yielded 7 bushel per acre increase over untreated plots. At mid-season, I checked the roots of several plants of the corn and alfalfa and found the BioWash treated plant root system to be more developed and vigorous than the untreated plants. The Japanese cucumbers we grow had a very extended season with the BioWash treated plants. Normally, a 1.5 to 2 month harvesting window is expected. However, we had nearly twice that with 4 months in the expected season. As evidenced by the root system observations and yield increases, it appears BioWash efficiently maximizes the nutrient uptake of the plant. Essentially, it appears BioWash acts as a fertilizer booster.
It's not too late in the growing season to do your own controlled testing. Order a gallon today and see your results in time to treat your remaining crops. Dr. Ted Tidwell, the developer and formulator of BioWash, continues to oversee the blending of his products and assures quality assurance.